Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the online short-term course series brought to you by SkillVeda. SkillVeda is your partner in skill development, offering a wide range of webinar, offline workshop, short-term courses, and training programs designed to help you unlock your potential and achieve your career goals. Today's is a second class of Jollyphonics. Jollyphonics is a comprehensive program to unlock the secrets of reading and learning, the systematic and multisensory approach to teaching phonics and empowering students to become confident readers and spellers. A special welcome to our esteemed trainer, Ms. Devjani Das, a seasoned trainer and consultant with over 30 years of experience in the field of education to share her knowledge and insights. Welcome, Ms. Das.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So we will start with our second day program. So we had a lot of theory last week, and today we will be having more of songs, rhymes, and pictures. So I hope you will be enjoying it, and we will have a lot of interactive classes. So before starting, again, I would like to request, as this is a short-term class, if you can please switch on your videos, because this class will be lot of actions. So I need to see all of your actions, because otherwise it won't be, it won't be that great. So all are here, ma'am, Jane, Mrs.
Yeah,
Jane,
we
is
can
there?
start now. We can start now.
We can start. Okay,
They will join us if somebody is left behind. They will join us.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So today we will be starting with the group. We now know that Jollyphonics has divided the letters into sound, and this sounds, we have 42 sounds, and this 42 sounds again has been grouped under 7 divisions. We have 7 group with 42 sounds to begin with. So Jollyphonics starts with the sound S. Jollyphonics start. Now you can ask why, isn't it? The question is very normal. Why? We start with A, B, C, D. Why it starts with S? Because the S is one of those letter which is widely used in English. I think that is one letter which is used most in most of the words. So can you all write at least 10 to 15 words, 10 words, starting, ending with sound? 10 words. You can write in the message. Ten words with S, not necessarily starting with, it can be ending with S.
You can unmute yourself also and can speak, not a problem.
হ্যাঁ, তুই তো শ্মশানে গেছো তুমি।
Miss Das, they are typing in the chat box.
Ruth, ma'am, short sounds no, set, sharp, sand. Sharp is sharp and ship. Shh, shh. It's not sun, snake, sock, sand, sit, sip. Yes. Jayanti ma'am, 10 upon 10. Unguri ji ma'am, sun, sin, sat, sip, side, son, sim, side, set. Fine. Socks, stocks, switches, shoes. Again, it is sh. Spices, slices, slides, snacks, stacks. Fine, good. Bus sound. Yes, yes. Good, Komal ma'am. I wanted this also, ending with sir sound also. So you can see, understand that most of the words has S. Slide. Good. But not sh. It will be s. So when we are teaching them the sound, the first thing that we should start introduce them with the lowercase letters. I hope we all know lowercase letters, the small letters. The letters then it will be first it is within the small two lines. Then letters have the tails at the end, size of each letter. That is, it will start accordingly with the small, then tall, then below the line. The below the line will come at the end. Here, the vowels are special letters. I will teach you how these 5 magical words are used and how to make a puppet out of it in our next class. But 5 vowels are always, you will always, whenever you are writing any word, you will be putting a star on the top of the vowels, so that they know that vowels are very special. So do you all know how to teach language, or what are the stages of language development? Can anyone explain LSRW? You can unmute yourself and please tell me.
Hello, ma'am. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It is.
Yes, actually, absolutely right. L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. So listening, speaking, what is how it goes? Can you tell me that how, while listening and speaking, then reading, and last writing? Because the more you hear, you can speak. You hear, you speak. So once you start speaking, you will know the symbols. And through the symbols, you can read. And at the end of your language development, your writing comes. That is when your pincer grip muscle gets more nurtured. They are developed through various activities. This pincer grip, do you know what a pincer grip is? The fine motor skill. Fine motor skill. Can you unmute and just can we have a interactive session? Fine motor skill.
Yes, ma'am, we know fine motor skill. Sorry.
Yeah. So in fine motor skill, there are two parts. This is the pincer grip. This one, right? And
Yes.
there is another one.
Touching and healing. Touching.
Pincer and the palmar grip. Pincer and the palmar grip. This is the palmar grip. Palmar grip. So first you get your child ready with listening. Once this list, because see, whenever, suppose you go to some other state, before you read and write, you go to the market every day, you are buying things, you're talking with your house help, you are talking with your colleagues at the workplace. What happens? Slowly you develop the speech, right?
Yes.
You develop that particular, that local language, you
Yes.
start speaking. So how that happens? Because you are continuously listening to those, you're listening. So, but what happens? Still you cannot read. But slowly with the time, when you start identifying the letter through the symbols, you can mix and start doing the reading part. So this is the process even with the child. And at last, you start writing. So listening is a very important part of the language development. So the more you talk with the child, more you do the practice of the sound, the child will start speaking and can blend and can segment and can decode any kind of unknown words. Now, we have consonants and vowels, right? We have consonants and vowels. Now, how will you make them do practice? So when you are teaching consonants, the sound should always come at the end, because I told you in the first class that Jollyphonic teaches us what? What? It teaches us sounds, but in purest form, right?
Pure
It
sounds.
teaches us in the purest form, not S. S says sir, no. S says s. So in its purest form. So when the consonant comes at the end, nothing, no other letter is blocking the way, and a child can hear the pure form of that particular letter. So when you are practicing them with the consonant, you always use the word which ends with that particular sound. So I'll just give you a task.
Hey, Prabhu.
Who said, hey, Prabhu?
I say.
It's good ना
That-
ये भगवान को याद करना
हे प्रभु क्यों फिर से फिर से पढ़ाई लिखाई
no, she is saying thank you God activity आई
हे प्रभु हाँ इतना बकबक नहीं सुनना है अभी कुछ करना है गुड 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 आई लाइक इट
at least
that should be the energy.
somebody is responding at least
Yes, yeah, the session should be like this, you know.
वही
It
ना
should be full
somebody should
fun.
take God's name, somebody should take anybody's name
Oh God, save us. Okay, I'll write some, pick up some consonants. You will be forming words with it. Hmm. Okay, five consonants I have written here. Now, just write three words each ending with this consonants. Ending with this consonants. You can unmute and say, you can write in the chat. One is absent. Cab, cuff, call, catch, catch. We cannot hear the sound t. Cat is okay. But why catch? That is N. N. Bib, rib, nib, leaf. It can be deaf. Tail, male, well, den, ten, men, sit, bit, dot. Yes. Can. Yes, can. Ran. Manasi. Cab, bulb, crab. Leaf, cliff, roof. Jayanti ma'am is getting 10 out of 10 every time. though she's not switching on her video, but she's listening. Man, tab, sat. Tab, knee, bob, scarf, staff, shelf, till, bin, pan, rat, fast, float, cap, fab, tell, bun, set, leaf. 3 for each letter was there. Pat, mat. Okay. So this is basically so whenever now you know whenever you will be teaching them the consonants, always let them hear the words which ends with that particular sound. If you're teaching ba, teach them cab, tab, the way you have written. So that is how the consonant. Now comes vowel. Whenever you are making the child practice a vowel, always the word should start with, begin with the sound of the vowel so that nothing can block its way. Like apple, egg, right? Igloo. So give them the words which begins with the umbrella, orange. They are clear with the vowel sound. Because again, why, if you ask, you have to know that Jollyphonics teaches the purest form of the sound. Am I clear? Till now, it's okay? So, the first group, please write the letter, the sounds of the first group. SATIPN. SATIPN. This is the 6 word letters from the group 1. Group 1.
Ma'am, this is L or M? Last one. SCAI.
SATIP. N for nose.
Okay.
So the first sound. Now now this time, please switch on your videos. Yes. So all of your hands should go like a snake, right? Bhumani ma'am was doing it best. Not Nagin dance. No Nagin dance. So can we all do it together? With the action. I cannot hear any one of you. Please unmute all of you. I want to hear the sound. Whether it is correct or not. Sound. Ma'am again showing. I want to hear the sound because I need to hear the sound. Please. I cannot hear.
Devjani ji, one by one we can let them answer the thing,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on my screen I can see you first.
Not me, start from
Kiran ma'am.
Yeah, Kiran ji can start.
Please.
Kiran ji, can
You
you
can show.
you are unmuted or we can't listen you.
With
I
the
think-
action, because you will be teaching the children. Okay, so it is always Jolly Phonics is something with action. Jolly Phonic, remember, Jolly Phonic is something fun. You are teaching the children through fun. So if you don't do the action, see, I'll tell you something. Why Jolly Phonics with the action? Because we are eradicating or erasing out the rote learning. When you are doing something through action, that means whenever you show something like that, the children will again at once will recollect the sound. Isn't it? Through action, it is very important. So Ruth ma'am, can you do it? Trupti ma'am.
Dipti ji, you can unmute yourself.
Mansi ma'am. Little louder. I can see the action, but sound. Trupti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. With the action. Where is the action? Here I can hear the sound, but no action. Show a snake. Jayanti ma'am, Lata ma'am. So just one by one. Hema ma'am. Yes, because see, again I'm telling you, when you are learning Jolly Phonics, the most important part of Jolly Phonics is action, and added with it is the fun element. If you don't enjoy it, your class and your children will never enjoy that. Okay, so you have to enjoy it first. You have to do it through action. So let's do it once again. Then, have you ever seen, or have you ever felt, uh, the small black ants that crawls at times? How you feel that crawling? How do you feel that crawling? What do you do when they crawl and you feel that wriggling, Can you all unmute and tell me, please? Hema ma'am, Lata ma'am, Pungadi ma'am, please.
What exactly we have to tell, matlab?
what kind of feelings you have when an ant climbs your arm? What happens? What we do? Do we look at the ant and wait till how long it can climb?
No?
What we do?
Like
We
this.
try to dust it, try to
We
remove.
try to remove it, right?
Yes.
So how we
Yes.
do it? Ah,
Like this.
ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah,
And
ants on my arm. Can we all do it? Ah,
okay.
ah. Let's do it together again. Ah,
And-
ah,
and-
ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm.
Okay.
Can we all do it?
Yes, yes.
Let's do it together. Okay. Ah, ah,
And
ants on my
ants on
arm.
my arm.
Ah,
Ants on
ah,
ants on
ants on my arm.
arm.
So,
ants on my
Answer
arm.
my arm.
yes, yes, yes. So whenever now from next time ants climbs your arm, you will do it
Ants on my arm.
and
Arm.
say ants on my arm.
Okay.
So here, have you ever seen a Wimbledon tennis match?
Playing.
All of you,
No.
have you ever seen any kind of lawn tennis match?
No.
Who can tell me that where the umpire exactly sits
Yeah.
in a tennis match?
On a chair, up, little up,
On a higher
higher
chair,
chair. Yeah.
right? On a higher chair, it sits at the top, and
Yes,
when
yes.
the both the parties they serve what the umpire what is the action of the umpire? He looks here and he looks there, right?
Yes.
Looks once here, once there. So watching the tennis match, t t t. Watching the tennis match, t
Ch,
t
ch,
t.
ch.
Yes. So let's do it together. Watching the tennis
Shooting the
match.
tennis
Cha,
ball.
cha,
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 cha, cha, cha,
cha, cha,
cha, cha,
cha, cha.
cha. So now from now on, when you must watch the tennis match and must say this. Watching the tennis match. Cha, 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 cha,
Yeah,
cha.
yeah, yeah.
Now there is a small story. You know, in my room, there was one small mouse living in a hole in one of the walls of my house. Very naughty. That mouse was very naughty. One day, I was not there at home. I went out for my school, my work. And when I came back home, what did I found, you know? This table of mine, where is my table? Cannot be, why it is not visible? It's this table on my desk on my room, it was full of ink. Full of ink.
Ink.
Okay. Ink. You know that ink, pen and ink? Ink.
Yes.
So I had one bottle of blue ink. I kept it on my table. And that mouse was so naughty. It jumped on my bed. From there on my desk, he threw all the ink, spreaded ink all over. And it was also, it had lot of ink on himself, and it turned into a blue mouse. So from then onwards, I started calling him Inky the Mouse, Inky the Mouse, E, E, E. Can we all do it together?
E, E, E.
So remember
the
these
mouse.
stories. Remember these stories, these short stories, when you are telling the children the sound, before telling them the sound, you must give them the introduction of the sound through these small funny stories. Now, this is a story of Inky the mouse. You can make your own story. Okay, you can make your own stories. This is usually the story is being told. So now can we all do it? Inky the mouse.
A,
Inky the
A,
mouse.
The mouse.
E.
E.
What is this? What is this? What you're showing basically?
mouse.
What is your showing basically?
Mouse. E.
Not E, not E, Inky the mouse. This is the whiskers. Mouse had this long black whiskers. Have you seen that whiskers that
it's
comes
coming out
out?
from me. Yes, yes.
Yes. So we are showing that Inky the mouse. Inky the mouse.
E.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse. Inky the mouse. Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse. So all of you, so when all of your birthdays are all gone or coming?
Coming.
Coming. So Ruth ma'am
Mine has
is going
gone.
to give us a treat. So we missed Kiran ma'am's birthday. So what happens on our birthday? We get a cake and we
Yes.
have candle, right? So how do we blow the candle? Sorry. So when we puff the candle, what happens? A gush of warm air comes out from our mouth and it blows the fire, right?
Yes.
So put a finger in front of your mouth, believing it as a candle, and on the tip of it, just say, so that a warm air comes and it hits your tip of the finger. No, don't touch it. Just keep it a little bit away from your mouth. See, it's not this, little bit away. And we say, no, that is a finger on your mouth. No, not finger on your mouth. Keep
Away.
it little away from it. Yeah, away. And now you say, So have you heard of how a aeroplane flies? Aeroplane flies? Have you ever heard the sound? Can we
Yes.
all put our hands like this? Stretch your hands.
Like this.
Believe that these are the two wings of the aeroplane. Yeah.
Yes.
And can we say enact as a mad aeroplane? It's flying from here and there. The nose. The sound will come from the nose. And your tongue will touch your upper part. Just behind your teeth. And so can we revise it again once again? From the beginning? Just give me one moment. One of my headphones just fallen. Okay, so let's start. So, snake on the ground. Snake on the ground. Or we can show it like this. Snake on the ground.
Snake on the ground.
Ant on the arm. Ant on the arm. Ant on the arm.
Ant on the arm.
Ant on the arm.
On the ground.
Ant on the arm.
Now next is watching the tennis. Watching the tennis match. Ta, 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 ta. Watching the tennis match. Ta, ta, ta. Watching the tennis match.
Tennis match.
Ta, ta. Then the story of the mouse. That naughty mouse who ran all over my house and jumped on my table and threw all the ink on himself and on my bed, and everywhere it was messy and it became a blue, inky, all inky. So now we call that mouse, or call him
the mouse.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse.
The
A
mouse.
mouse is usually shown like this because it has those small, that black mustache.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse.
Mouse.
Inky the mouse.
Eat.
Inky the mouse. Yes. And now, your birthday time. Puffing the candle.
Candle.
A very soft sound. And then comes the mad aeroplane, and how it flies and makes sound. So do you want to hear the song for each sound? Are you all ready? Wait.
Yes.
To just... Can you hear the sound? No. Can you hear the sound?
No, ma'am.
No, no. Just wait.
No, ma'am.
I knew how to do it. Last time I did it. And do the sharing. Yes. 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 Now.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Near the
Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise.
So clear? I will give you these videos. Okay. So now in Jolly Phonics, there's one thing which is very, very, very important. Okay. How will you teach this? How will you teach the blending? How will you teach them the words? So in Jolly Phonics, usually it is taught through dots. Okay. So I will show you how you will be doing it. Suppose okay. Oh, okay. Now you wrote this and asked the child, how many sound can you hear? How many sound can you hear? Without saying this,
Three
if I
sounds.
tell you how many times, you can say 3 sounds, right? But when you are teaching a child of 2.5 years, 3 years, it is difficult for them. So you have to teach them through dots. When you put the dot, you have to say the sound. This is the first sound. K. K. Then second sound.
Ah.
Ah.
Ah. Ah.
Ah. And the third sound. T. 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 So how many sound you got? How many sound?
Three
There are
sounds.
3 sounds.
Three
So
sounds.
when you are teaching them, you are teaching them through dots. So this is called, now I'll tell you some notes. In Jolly Phonics, dots are placed under each sound by the teacher to highlight a particular sound or a combination of sounds. Because slowly we will learn the combinations also, right? We will learn diaphragms, we will learn triaphragms, we will learn blending words. So to teach them the combination of sound or a particular sound, the teacher places dots for the children to count and read the sound by identifying one sound at a time. Correct? So whenever you are teaching them any word, you have to, suppose if I say, tell me marigold. So now, how many sound when you will be teaching this? How will you do this?
5.
How will you do this? 5, you know. So how, when you will be teaching it, how will you do this? You have to make them identify each of the sound, right?
Yes.
So again, you will do it through Here there is a rule. It is not
Mm.
because it becomes A. Marigold में A. So I will tell you the rule afterwards.
uh,
R,
uh,
E, E,
E,
G,
G,
O,
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 O, L,
D.
L,
तुम्हारा मोबाइल
L, L, and then D, then D, then D, right? Yes. So now you ask the child to count the dots like 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many sound you can hear? Marigold.
8, 8,
8
8,
sounds.
8 sounds.
8 sound, ma'am.
Marigold.
All are 8 sounds.
So there are 8 sounds. There are how
Yes.
many sounds are there? 8
8
sounds. So
sounds.
whenever
8 sounds.
you are teaching them any word, suppose tell me one word which consists of 4 to 6 words.
Neck.
Hands.
Snake.
No,
Leaf.
this can't be. This can't be because
Leaf.
uh-huh, um, okay.
Orange.
Now tell me where I'll put the dots. D, A, M, B. Right? Right? So I will put the dot under. Then
Bat.
A.
B.
So I will now dictate you some words. And now you will tell me how many.
2. 4 sounds.
Okay.
B. 4 sounds.
Now start. I'm dictating. Okay. Right. Sit. Pan.
Man.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Pan. Tip. Okay. It will be better if I write it, right? Array. Wait. Yes. Okay. So copy these words and now I will be asking you how many sounds, how many dots you can see for each words. Once you are done, please raise your hands. Hima ma'am, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's all of you finish. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Once all of you finish, I will ask. Otherwise, you will copy and then put the dots. Suppose Hema ma'am gets 100 out of 100, you will all cheat. Fast, fast. It's very easy.
I think they have done it, Devjani ji.
All finished? Okay. So let's start with Hema ma'am. Sit.
Yes, ma'am.
How many dots?
3 sounds, 3 dots, ma'am.
3
Eat.
dots.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good. Good. And then pan.
3 dots, ma'am.
Okay. Tip.
3 dots, ma'am. E.
Sat.
3 dots. And 3 dots, ma'am.
In.
In, I have doubt, ma'am.
Why?
2 dots.
2 dots, ma.
2
2
dots
dots.
only.
Correct. E.
Yes.
Mm. E. Mm.
E,
And. Okay,
in,
Mansi ma'am. And.
2, ma'am.
And.
3, ma'am.
A. Mm. T. And.
Yeah.
Okay.
3.
Then pat.
3.
3. Okay, Ruth ma'am.
Yes.
Snip.
Snip, 4 dots, ma'am. 4.
Correct. Absolutely correct. You got it. Sap.
3 dots.
Snap.
Snap, 4 dots.
4 dots. Tap.
3 dots.
3.
3
dots.
Dips.
3.
3 dots.
Huh?
3 dots.
It.
This is it. It, 2 dots.
2 dots. It.
2 dots. Yes, 2
It.
dots.
2 dots. Okay,
Yes.
then Anjali ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nap.
3 dots.
And
2,
pin.
3,
Good. It's Pungari
3.
ma'am.
3.
3. Sit.
3.
3.
Eat. Sit.
3.
Spat.
4, ma'am.
4.
Sp.
At.
4.
Because you can hear all the sounds clearly. Then pit.
Three sounds.
Kiran
dots.
ma'am. Kiran
Sip.
ma'am. Sip. Sip.
3 dots. 3
Three.
dots.
Three.
Then pant.
4 dots.
Four. Four dots.
Tan.
3 dots.
Pan. Three.
Spit.
4 dots.
Four dots.
Nip.
3 dots.
Span.
Three.
4 dots.
Komal ma'am. Stint.
Four dots, ma'am.
5.
Uh,
Yes.
Five.
5. Stint. St. Stint. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Anjali ma'am has written it very nicely. So till now, the first group is clear with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have time to start the second group, but do you want me to start the second group today itself, or you will revise this first group once?
Revise, ma'am.
What do you say, Miss Jen?
Yeah, let them, you can summarize the thing till now, what you have taught from the first and second class.
Yes, exactly.
Then we can, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, what are the things that we learned today?
So,
So,
First group sounds.
Consonants and vowels. Consonant
What we
sound
have
should be
learned-
at the end.
we have learned that first we start in Jolly Phonics with the sound S. That is your sat. You can call it satipan, some calls it satpin, whatever way.
Miss
Okay.
Ruth is still doing that snake movement.
Oh.
It's good, it's good. You have understood. Not a problem.
No, as long as you understood that and you make your children make them understand and happy. Because Jolly
Exactly.
Phonics is something which is full of fun. That is the reason why children will remember these sounds so very well that slowly when you will go to the end of it, you will see that reading and remembering spellings, decoding words will become so easy for the children that they will enjoy it. So you can inculcate them in the habit of reading books, which it's forgotten now. Because once they start decoding the new words, it will be fun for them. The second one is, in Jolly Phonics, we start with the lowercase letters. Then the letters which have tail. It's always, I told you that, what is the font? What is the font for Jolly Phonic? What is the name of the font?
Sassoon infant.
Sassoon Infant. So Sassoon Infant has a tail at the end. In every letter, there is a tail. Okay. That you may use, you may not use. Okay. But for Jolly Phonics, they say that if you use it, the children easily gets the hands-off or the hands-on experience on the, that's basically the one step before the cursive. Size of each letter, it goes along with the size of each letter. First, the small one, then the taller one, and then the below line. And then comes the vowels, which are very special letters that has been taught with the stars. Whenever you are writing any letter, any word, you should always indicate the vowel with a star. Then 4 stages of language development, that LSRW, how you are going to go through. First, you have to make the habit of listening to the sound. The more they listen, the more they easily start speaking. So once they listen, they will speak. Once they speak, then comes the symbols or the recognition part, the reading part. Once they finish with this, they're thorough with it, with all these, then automatically comes the writing portion. So by the time they reach that, you make sure that the kids are well developed with their palmar and the pincer grip. I will even teach you here how to hold the pencil. Make them hold the pencil, the activities. So when you are making them practice the consonant, so how will you do that? You will begin the word with consonant or end with it? How will you do that?
End with it.
End with it. Why?
Because of the pure sound at the end for consonants.
Yes. Because Jollyphonic teaches you the purest form of the sound, and when you are ending with consonant, there is no other sound which is blocking the way, and you can hear the purest form of the consonant sound. Dumb, pit, rat. You can hear can, cam, okay. So when you are making the child practice the vowel sound, how will you do it? It will be in the end or beginning?
Beginning.
It will be in the beginning again, because no other sound will block the way of pronouncing the vowel sound, like apple, orange, umbrella.
Egg.
You can hear the purest form. Igloo, egg,
Orange.
orange. Yes,
Ice.
orange.
Ice
Now,
cream.
all the ice cream is not an English word origin.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Yes.
ice, no. So, till now, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And can we do the
Yes.
sounds again?
Yes, ma'am.
Snake on the garden. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Then tennis. I watch the tennis match. My head goes back and forth. The naughty mouse who threw all the ink on itself and became the Inky the mouse. Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse. Just a second. Batteries go down. Just a second. Then next, puffing the candle. How will you do? Very slowly, the gush of warm air should touch the tip of the finger. It should not touch your lip, but it will be a little away from your lip. Mansi ma'am, don't touch your lip. Just little bit away from your lip. No, not that far, Ruth ma'am. Then the sound of the mad aeroplane. So this is the 6 sounds makes your group 1. And then you now know that how to use the buttons. How to use the
Buttons.
अरे, उधर चला गया। How to use the buttons. Right? Any questions? I will give you worksheets, okay, through ma'am. You can practice and you click the picture and you can send it before the next class. Okay, ma'am?
Yeah, fine. Next class will be on Thursday, na? In the evening.
Thursday. In the evening, same
At
time?
the same time, yeah. It will be on the.
I think that is
Everybody
this
is
good
comfortable
time.
with the timing now?
Yes, ma'am. We are.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay.
So I will give you a worksheet on group 1 and how to do again to practice more on the dots so that ma'am will give it to you by tomorrow morning and you submit it just before the class starts so that I
Okay.
can check it.
It will be a PDF file and we will be sending in the group.
I will give you a PDF file. You can do
Yeah.
it on your copy, on your exercise book, or you can download it and do it over there also. You can send it back to ma'am, or you can click picture of your workbook, that exercise book where you will be doing it, and you can send it to her.
Fine.
Okay, any questions today's class?
Any queries, any questions you can ask.
Yes. Because from the next class, we will go little fast and we will do little more of the rules and more of the activities. And next class, please keep color paper with you, glue, scissors, and colors.
You
Next
send me
week
the
we
list.
will
I will be
doing-
sending in the group also. Okay.
Okay,
Devjani ji.
I will
Yeah.
do that. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that next class we will have a craft class.
Okay.
We'll have a puppet making class. Okay.
Okay.
So any questions today?
No.
They have understood the snake now.
So one second, Pungadi ma'am, please. Your snake. Nagin dance. See, that's the best.
Best snake
Till now.
now.
That's you can dance in the class.
Kids will enjoy it. Exactly. Kids will enjoy
Exactly.
this.
Exactly, because Jollyphonics is something that the kids going to enjoy. Because the more you enjoy, you just give it to the children.
Next time, Devjani ji, you will be teaching now how to hold pencil for the
I will be
kid
doing
small.
it. Lot of things. How to
Okay.
hold the pencil, how to make worksheets on these sounds. So there are lot of things to be done.
Okay.
You
I
have
think
to
we are done for
prepare
today.
stick
Yeah.
puppets. You will prepare stick puppets. You will make hand puppets. I will teach you all these.
Okay, fine. No questions from anyone? Should we wind it up now? I think Devjani
All
ji,
are
we are
very
done with the questions.
excellent. Excellent students. No questions. I don't know whether the students are excellent or the teacher is excellent.
Both are excellent, actually. That's a thing.
So
Okay,
we will
thank
do
you.
the
Thanks
group
a lot
2.
for Devjani ji for your time and efforts. And thank you everyone for joining us. We will be meeting again on Thursday at the same time.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And we will be sending a worksheet by tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow
say.
morning. Tomorrow
Yeah,
morning.
okay,
Afternoon.
fine. Yeah,
Morning
we
or
will be
afternoon,
doing
I'll
it.
say.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am.